Critics argue that such patterns are common among fringe investors and may have alternative explanations related to the inherent challenges of commercializing unproven technologies. A campaign against Johnson allegedly combined official bureaucratic roadblocks with unofficial intimidation tactics. These coordinated obstacles raised important questions about who controls what energy technologies reach the public and why they may want to keep revolutionary innovations away from consumers. The answers involve numbers that reveal exactly what was at stake financially. Energy companies worldwide built their business models around a simple concept: customers who keep paying forever. As an illustration, background accounts use a $3,000 annual household electricity bill to show how a one-time device could displace recurring utility payments. Over 30 years, that adds up to $90,000 just to keep the lights on. Now imagine millions of families across the country doing the same thing. Energy companies collect this money month after month, year after year, creating revenue streams worth trillions globally. Energy corporations make money from dependence. Oil companies sell gasoline that cars burn up and need to be replaced. Gas companies sell natural gas that gets consumed for heating and cooking. Electric utilities sell electricity that people use up every single day. These companies profit because their products get used up completely. Customers have to come back and buy more to keep their lives running normally. According to Johnson and his supporters, magnetic motors changed this equation completely. His devices allegedly promised to generate electricity without consuming any fuel or drawing power from the electric grid. A single magnetic motor in someone's basement could reportedly produce enough electricity to run their entire house. The family would buy the motor once and theoretically never need to purchase electricity again. No more monthly bills, no more dependence on utility companies, no more recurring payments that go on for decades. Supporters argued that potential economic impact was massive. Johnson's household magnetic motor could theoretically save a typical family those $90,000 over 30 years. According to proponents' calculations, the motor would pay for itself quickly and then provide free electricity for the rest of its lifetime. Families could redirect their monthly electric bill money toward other needs like education, healthcare, or saving for retirement. Johnson's supporters claimed his more powerful devices could serve entire neighborhoods. His magnetic force generator allegedly produced between 50 and 110 kilowatts of continuous power. According to background accounts, that's enough electricity for dozens of homes running simultaneously. Communities could install one large magnetic motor and eliminate electric bills for everyone in the area. The savings would multiply across hundreds of thousands of families. The economic impact on energy companies would be massive if these claims prove true. Electric utilities collect billions of dollars every year from monthly customer bills. These payments represent predictable income that energy executives use to plan business operations and satisfy investors. Magnetic motors would eliminate this steady cash flow by making customers energy independent. Energy executives theoretically had to choose between two options. They could allow magnetic motor technology to destroy their existing business model, or they could use their money and political connections to prevent the technology from reaching consumers. The second option protected their profits while keeping people dependent on traditional energy sources. Government agencies also had economic reasons to question magnetic motors. Federal and state governments collect taxes from energy sales. Gasoline taxes fund highway construction and maintenance. Taxes on electricity bills support various public programs. Widespread energy independence would reduce these tax collections and force governments to find alternative revenue sources. Johnson supporters argued his magnetic motors represented a trillion-dollar threat to established interests. These revenue streams created powerful motivations that had nothing to do with whether the technology actually worked. The question becomes whether economic interests alone can determine which innovations reach consumers and which ones disappear completely. Howard Johnson's story raises important questions about innovation and resistance.